Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make Italian vinaigrette dressing. First, gather your core ingredients: good quality extra virgin olive oil, a type of wine vinegar, and a selection of dried herbs. The oil forms the base, so selecting a flavorful one is key. Red wine vinegar offers a classic tang, but white wine vinegar also works well. These simple components are the foundation for a delicious homemade dressing. Next, let's enhance those flavors. Incorporate finely minced garlic for a pungent kick and a small amount of Dijon mustard to help emulsify the dressing. A tiny pinch of sugar can balance the acidity beautifully. Aim for a 3-to-1 ratio of oil to vinegar as a starting point, adjusting to your preference. Don't forget to season generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Now it's time to bring it all together. Combine your olive oil, vinegar, herbs, garlic, mustard, sugar, salt, and pepper in a jar with a tight-fitting lid or in a bowl. If using a jar, shake it vigorously for about 30 seconds until the dressing is well combined and slightly thickened. If using a bowl, whisk continuously until emulsified. This ensures all the flavors are perfectly blended. Finally, personalize your vinaigrette. Feel free to experiment with fresh herbs such as chopped basil, oregano, or parsley for an extra layer of freshness. A small squeeze of fresh lemon juice can also add a wonderful brightness. This homemade dressing is perfect for salads, marinades, or as a dip. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home experience. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.